Hi, graduate students. Good afternoon. This is very near the end of week 2, and I want to go over a number of things and do a little transitional discussion of going from week 2 to week 3. I hope you can see me and hear me okay. My main point is that in week 2 we move into what you've been already preparing yourself for, the college of 2020. Obviously this monogram looms important in your paper that's due in the middle of the week. I guess I'll take this opportunity to say a few things because I've read many of these. The assignment I think is quite clear. I just want to be sure you understand it. You are to analyze a school in the middle, a school that you believe, you don't have to be 100% scientifically accurate here, that they need to redefine themselves based upon a model that the evidence seems to indicate will not sustain itself. So it can be a regional state campus, a small private institution, or another type. I don't want it to be a for-profit, an elite, or a flagship state school. That's my only request there. The assignment is for you to analyze that school based upon this monograph and write a memo, a nice clear memo to the president, the CEO, the highest officer of all colleges, using APA style and so forth. Now, I'm going to be using the rubric that you have access to and judging it on the selection of the institution, following directions on the memo, and I'm looking for an executive summary. So here's some tips for those of you who have drafts in process. I really want you to have this to be an excellent piece of writing. I paused there because I was a little concerned about the video, but it's still working. Use outside citations, some of the readings that have been in your folders or other things that you have found. Proof your work and your writing very carefully. Say why the college you have selected is, in the terms as defined in the monograph, truly a college in the middle. Don't assume I know why. You need to tell me why. And be sure to have a conclusion. I mean, this is writing 101. Introduce your topic, to the president very professionally as a nice clear memo. The body should make the points, and then you should summarize your points, okay? And then have your citations. I'm looking for really good papers, okay? Enough on that. I guess what I want to say about week 3, in addition, is the readings, the chapters 4, 10, and 13 in Outback, and the excellent articles. There's one on the future of two-year colleges, MOOCs, rankings, Obama's goals for higher education. That's so very relevant and current, I thought I'd put that in there. And the Clayton Christensen video, the author of The Innovative University. I found this when I was looking for materials. I think it's really excellent. Excellent. It's a little long, but I think you'll find it helpful, all of you, but particularly those who are reading that book. So during the next week or so, I'm going to be looking at your research question for the final paper, and I'll give you some feedback on that. Okay? And this weekend, as I said earlier, I'll be starting to grade the discussion boards. Always remember, the response to the primary post, which is the question that I pose, comes to me and everyone else by Thursday, and you have until Sunday to give up the 2 responses to your colleagues. Okay? You're all doing great. Look forward to reading your papers. Have a good end of week 2 and excitement moving into week 3, which is near the end of the halfway point. Thank you.